Welcome to this guided candle meditation. Thank you for being kind to yourself and taking the time to be here today. Find a comfortable position where you can sit with a straight spine. Dim the lights in the room so the candle is your primary focus. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Allow your body to relax with each breath. Let go of any tensions in your shoulders, your neck, and your back. Close your eyes for a moment and bring your attention to your breath. Feel the air entering and leaving your body. Notice the rise and fall of your chest. Breathe naturally, without forcing it. When you're ready, gently open your eyes and focus on the flame of the candle. Observe the way it dances and flickers. Notice the colors within the flame, the blues, yellows, and oranges. Let the flame be your anchor, your point of focus. As you continue to breathe deeply, allow your gaze to soften. You don't need to stare intensely at the flame. Just a gentle focus. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring it back to the candle. Now, let's start by taking a journey inward. Imagine that with each inhale, you are drawing the light of the candle into your body. Visualize this light filling you up, starting from the top of your head, moving down to your face, your neck, and your shoulders. Feel the warmth and the glow of the candlelight as it continues to fill you. It moves down your arms, your chest, your abdomen, your legs, and finally, your feet. You are now glowing with the light of the candle, warm and peaceful. Let this light represent a sense of calm and clarity. With each breath, you are inhaling peace and exhaling any stress or tension. Imagine any worries or negative thoughts melting away, just like wax from the candle. Focus on the steady rhythm of your breath. Inhale deeply, filling your lungs with air and light. Exhale slowly, releasing any remaining tension. Now, let's deepen this experience. As you watch the flame, imagine that it is a symbol of your inner light, your true self. This light is always within you, even when you don't see it. It's constant and unwavering. Feel a sense of connection to this inner light. Know that it is a source of strength and guidance. Whenever you need it, you can return to this light, just like you are doing now. As you continue to focus on the flame, start to notice the thoughts that come into your mind. Acknowledge them without judgment and let them pass by like clouds in the sky. Return your focus gently to the flame each time. This practice helps you to remain present and centered. It teaches you to observe your thoughts without getting caught up in them. This is a skill you can bring into your daily life. Feel the warmth of the candlelight on your face. Imagine that this warmth is spreading throughout your body, bringing a deep sense of relaxation. Every muscle, every fiber, of your being is relaxing more and more. Allow yourself to fully embrace this feeling of peace and tranquility. You are safe. You are calm. You are centered. Now take a moment to express gratitude for this time you have dedicated to yourself. Thank yourself for the commitment to your well-being. Know that this practice is nourishing your mind, body, and spirit. Slowly begin to bring your awareness back to the room. Feel the surface you are sitting on. Hear the sounds around you. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, gently close your eyes once more. When you feel ready, slowly open your eyes. Take one last look at the candle flame and then blow it out. Carrying the sense of peace and light within you as you go about your day. Thank you for joining Manifest the Best in this guided candle meditation. Goodbye.